In a sunlit apartment, a careful saver maps a monthly budget, prioritizing essentials and a growing emergency fund. They set a target to pay off high-interest debt first, then invest the freed cash in diversified funds. Next comes tax efficiency, opening retirement accounts and automating contributions to build wealth more effectively with minimal effort. The guide also emphasizes patience, regular portfolio rebalance, and a realistic crypto exposure limited to a small sleeve. Finally, they schedule quarterly reviews to adjust goals, celebrate progress, and keep the future firmly within reach.